Yeah, how can companies optimize their warehouse layout and improve the workflow so that they reduce travel time? You don't have somebody, a picker going here and there and everywhere. Thoughts on that?
Yeah, absolutely. Now, there's entire companies that are devoted to nothing but, sort of optimizing, warehouse layouts, the physical layouts. But I mean, there's some common sense things that anybody can take on without sort of incurring some additional consulting costs and things like that for people to help you out. Really, and the travel time tends to be some of the highest costs in
Right.
a warehouse environment, right? I'm walking all over the place and spending half an hour picking a $5 product or a $10 order, that, you're not making money on that. So, reduction in that travel time is important. So, and part of that is the warehouse layout. There's other strategies we'll talk about probably in a little bit, but as far as the warehouse layout, slotting, optimizing your slotting. So in other words, keeping your, most commonly picked products closer to the shipping area is a big part. That's a simple one,
Mhm.
having a pick face where your high volume stuff gets picked first and gets shipped out. You know, um, the ergonomics and incorporated within slotting, keeping all your more commonly picked items at, sort of shoulder level or waist level, so it's easier to find and pick. Those types of things are important. Grouping common items together. Again, some of the other strategies are around, the more process, but wave picking, batch picking, things like that will have an impact
Right.
on how you lay out your warehouse. So, for example, if you want to do wave picking, where you send everybody through the warehouse, every 10 minutes, half an hour, whatever that wave period tends to be, you want to zone your warehouse in a way that makes it efficient for those people to walk through the warehouse in a way and grab everything and then consolidate it at shipping. And then, you get even more fancy if you want to start getting into automation. There's the concept or the potential for using conveyors and things like that to
Hmm.
move the
Right.
the pick product to packing much more efficiently than walking it over. Those types of things, I think, are some of the things to look at initially.